the 3 days ka diet plan. Okay, so don't forget your first 3 days is very crucial, and you have to follow as is what is given in the diet chart. The maximum changes that you can make is that trying to cut down or wean off the foods. You taper the foods that you have been already eating. Okay, instead of making a sudden switch, just in case if you are having the symptoms, as I'm going to tell you now. Okay, so what are the symptoms that you are possible to face? Okay, the possible side effects could be headache, it could be the clogged skin, it could be tiredness. Then you might have to go to extra trips, retiring to restroom because you have been consuming good amount of water. Then there would be cravings and nausea, which is usually prone to happen with any kind of a diet. Then the digestive tract disturbances is nothing but you loose stools, or probably constipation is also something which might be thrown up. Because constipation, why? Because you will be consuming good amount of fruits and vegetables on the first 3 days. So when it happens for the first 3 days, usually that there is a huge amount of fiber upload which happens. So too much of fiber, so there is a soluble fiber. Going back a little bit to the chemistry and science of what we have studied during our school and college days, so we know there is a soluble fiber and insoluble fiber. So soluble fiber will get dissolved and it will get excreted, while the insoluble fiber tend to get bloated up in the intestine, and when you drink water it will swell up, because fibers are also the breakdown product of carbohydrates. Okay, so those insoluble fiber which remains in the tummy to sweeten your coffee or tea, is
The
it?
tea. Yeah, yeah.
I wouldn't recommend any of these sweeteners here, and as much as possible, it has to be natural. And we are trying to eliminate any of the refined products that we are going to consume, because this is just to make sure that again these are the refined products which will again get converted into glycogen stores.
Okay.
So what happens is again you're accumulating that
And
unwanted
what
carbs.
can be used for salad dressing?
Yeah, we will come to it. We will come to the salad dressing later, but let us get to know about the benefits of this detox program. So, what happens is that it will help to improve your immune system. It will help to give you that the healthy weight and healthy digestion will begin. Then there'll be a healthy and glowing skin. I'm sure that you're going to see all of these differences significantly. People who come over to you will be able to see the difference in you, and enhanced energy levels and mental focus is going to boost. Then there is going to be reduced water retention. So if you have always felt that I'm bloated and I'm sluggish and physically I'm not doing good, etc., which all has happened due to excess water retention and it's not being excreted or flushed out of the body, and that is going to be the biggest benefit that you're going to see in this program. And apart from that, improvement in your headache. So people who are having severe headaches, they can actually see the reduction in the frequency of headache and improved symptoms of autoimmune disorder. So when I mean autoimmune, is nothing but the sneeze and allergy and the cough in the morning hours especially. And people who are allergic to pollen grains and dust, they can see that there is a reduction in the sneezes in the morning hours. Okay, so these happen when the body contains too much of toxic elements. Okay, except that apart from this, there is going to be a better sleep and lesser mood swings, clearer thoughts, less infections, and less bloating and stomachache issues, and clearer and healthier skin, as I told you, and less inflammation. So, all the things that we are doing for our body is to make sure that we want to reduce our inflammation, which means inflammatory effects in our body. Okay, so that will happen when we do this detox. So I will just screen share and I will walk you through this first 3 days of the diet plan so that you understand how it works, and then you can reserve your questions for me. Okay, I'll just screen share. Okay, so now you're able to see the first 3 days. So this is exactly what was sent to you. Okay, so here if you see the day 1, day 2 and day 3, you will start consuming green tea on the first day, hot water with lime. Please don't add any honey or other things to the hot water, because that is a wrong concept of adding honey to the hot water. Then black tea or green tea, or again, if you don't like black tea, you can always go back to consuming green tea or again hot water with lime. Then your breakfast is going to comprise of the smoothies that is given here. So the smoothies are intended and given in such a way that pineapple contains good amount of enzyme which is called as bromelain. Okay, and that is going to aid in increasing the digestive enzymes. So if you are not able to find kale, it is okay, just go with the spinach. And coconut water is again good source of potassium. Then banana and apple, they are all good sources of carbohydrates, etc. So this is going to that way you can see each and every fruit has their own benefits. Okay, then everything that you are using for the smoothie should be used raw, no boiling or no steaming, right? So here avocado and cocoa smoothie pay, in case if you feel that I don't want cocoa, no problem, you can just grind the other ingredients which is available here. Okay, so cocoa is to make sure that you know it gives you that kind of a stimuli, and thereby it is a good source of antioxidant. Okay, so the method of preparation is given here. So 11:30 is again optional. In case if you feel that you know I don't want to go for anything, say herbal tea or diluted buttermilk or anything of that sort, you can just skip it and directly go with your lunch. Okay, so your lunch is going to comprise of salads. So maximum possible the salad 1, salad 2 and salad 3 I have given locally, and these days the lettuce are predominantly like you know available. So it has its own benefits because they are again greens wherein you don't have to cook, whereas other greens needs to be like you know cooked. And spinach is another one which cannot be cooked, I mean which can and cannot be cooked. So you can go for spinach as part of the smoothie ingredient and lettuce for your lunch. Okay, and why olive oil and lime juice? Because they are the best dressings that you can use it for your salads. So Shilpa, you were asking about the dressings. So in
Yeah.
case if you are finding it boring, then you can definitely have combination of several dressings like you know olive oil, lime juice. It can be curds. It can be like you know salt and pepper. So these are the choices which I would recommend for now. Or probably you can just toss it with a pinch of soya sauce, okay, for maximum, so that it gives you that alternate flavor. Okay,
But
so you
no using this mayo or
no
mint
mayos,
mayo. Okay.
no
Honey
pesters,
mustard, honey mustard, all those
no,
sauces
no
you have.
honey, no honey, no honey, no. Because what happens again with the dips, it's not something which is homemade. So we have to again rely upon like you know outside sources. So the kind of oil which is being used and what is the percentage of olive oil that is being used in these mayos, we are not sure. So that way we are, because we are cleansing our body and our gut. So that is why I've always recommended olive oil or lime juice as a first dressing. Okay, so you can go for this, or maximum, as I told you, it can be a hummus. So hummus is made from chickpeas. So you can boil chickpea and then you can, you know, how to make hummus, or you can just refer to the YouTube for hummus preparation. And you can use a little bit of garlic and olive oil to it and use it as a spread. Or avocado is again one of the dressing that you can use it as a dip or a sauce for any of your salads. So you can just grind it and use that as a guacamole kind of a mix. Okay, so this is one of the choice that I would suggest for you as a dip or sauces. Then I have given you two recipes for lunch. One is a salad and the other one is a protein dense. So the protein dense comprise of your majority, it is going to be your egg, paneer and tofu. So you can alternate with any of these. For non-vegetarians, they can go for chicken. So 60 to 75 grams of chicken can be used. But for vegetarians, it is purely the paneer or tofu which they can use it for throughout the plan. Okay, so this how you make and how you prepare the quantity is very well defined here. So 100 grams of paneer, or you can make it to 75 grams of paneer, and you can sort it with olive oil, etc. And other vegetables. The usual and locally available vegetables can be used here, like capsicums, colored capsicums, onions, tomatoes, etc. And as much as possible, try to include the metabolism boosters, which is nothing but your cumin seeds. It can be your coriander powder, your turmeric powder, or ginger. So these are called as because this is going to enhance your metabolism in and it's going to aid you in weight loss. Okay, so that is something which I have given here along with the recipe and the method of preparation. So for your evening, it can be your green tea, your tulsi tea, and your herbal tea, and the same can be repeated for the next 2 days. And make sure that this is going to be the healthiest. So you can buy any brands of choice as long as it doesn't contain too much of artificial colorings or agents. So you can find it. It is artificial agents are mixed in it, and artificial colors and preservatives, additives, etc. So if you find anything which doesn't contain any of these, please go ahead and pick up the brand that you find. Okay. Then 6 o'clock or anywhere between 5:30 to 6, please go for pomegranates or kiwi, any fruits of choice which is locally available. Now that the melons are available in plenty, you can go for melons, and the melons can be topped up with almonds or walnuts, etc. And
Watermelon?
yes, yes,
Is it
any kind of melons.
okay? You have written pomegranate plus kiwi plus apple plus orange. That way you have written like all
So
of them.
yeah, it can be mixed fruit
You can
also.
okay. As
It can
much
be
as like
mixed.
you can have.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, as much as possible you can
Garbage.
go for. And roasted nuts.
Roasted,
Yeah.
roasted means
Roasted is nothing but just add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, or 1 teaspoon of ghee or butter. And can you please mute? Uh, yeah. And you can add the nuts to it. You don't have to soak any nuts. Directly add the nuts to the
okay.
tawa and slightly saute it. You
Hmm.
don't have to deep saute it. Okay. Just kind of,
Okay.
stir it. Yeah. So that is what, and
Hmm.
you can add it to the fruit salads and consume them. Okay. Then at around 7:30, try to wind up your dinner before 8 o'clock. And between 7 to 7:30 or before 8 o'clock, you can have two recipes are given here, but it is a must that you are consuming one of the vegetables using coconut gratings, because coconut is again is a filling food, and coconut has several health benefits which is related to associated with reducing the risk of cardiac ailments, etc. And also it contains good amount of saturated fatty acids. It is saturated fatty acids is nowhere associated with heart diseases, heart disorders, etc. So just forget it and go ahead to use the coconut gratings for any of the
How much
subsies.
coconut? How
You
much
can use
coconut
two.
gratings can be?
2 teaspoons of it at the end of any boiled or steamed vegetables. You can just add or sprinkle on top of it so that you find that enough coconut taste while you are consuming. And that is going
There
to
is no
be,
quantity. There is no quantity for this sabzi. Like how much we can have, we can eat, right?
Hmm.
see, 1 cup is
Maybe.
what I have mentioned here. So it is 1 cup. So I have defined the quantities for all the, the diets that I have given here. So it's going to be 1 cup, and the recipe too is going to be 1 bowl, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Because that is going to be your soups. Okay, so for those who don't use mushrooms, please don't bother. You can go ahead to consume your vegetable soup, or don't go for corn soup because corn is again a starchy carbohydrate. So you can use vegetable soups and grate some paneer over it or tofu over it. Okay, so how to make soups and what kind of ingredients to use is again mentioned here. If you have any queries, you can always come back. So there is a diet guidelines which do's and don'ts. Okay, and what 1 to 2 teaspoons of as I suggested, hummus can be added, soya sauce can be added, etc. Or Italian herbs and seasonings. So those things you can use it for your soups, for your salads, just to give a variation during this 2 weeks program, and you don't find that monotony. Just to break the monotony, basically. Okay, so this there it ends the 3 days diet plan. So I will be moving on to this from fourth day. how we will be reviving our carbohydrates gently and gradually. So on the breakfast, for your breakfast, it is going to be a poha, or it can be a wheat, or it can be any millets. Don't go on for any kind of easy carbs. Even for poha, I would suggest if you can find a red poha, if it is available, please go for red poha. Only when you don't find, then the option for you is the white one. Okay, otherwise it is red. Okay, and here you see millets and broken wheat are all complex carbohydrate, which is going to contain good amount of fiber in them. Okay, so this
So,
carbohydrate is going
so
to be,
millet can be any.
millet can
Excuse
be
me.
anything. Yes, yes,
Yeah,
Mukti.
it can be any jawar, bajra, or like foxtail or little millet. I think this type.
Any millet of choice,
Okay.
any millet of choice.
Okay.
Go for foxtail millet, or as you listed, you can go for any millets, but stick to only 1 cup of it. And in that
For
1 cup
millet,
of, yeah,
for millet upma, what do we use? Like the mix millets we get, is it? Because I've
you know,
never made this.
no, you get any, see, when you go to the stores, you get millet varieties like, foxtail, or you get this kind of sajje or navani in Kannada, like, if you ask for it, they will give you, or you can go for like, kind of finger millets. You ask them, I mean, the pearl millet, kodo millet. So these millets are all available, which is going to taste similar. So all, or quinoa is also fine. So all that you need to do is
Hmm.
just soak it and pressure cook it for extra whistle. Okay, that is all what you need. So it is a absolute and wonderful substitute for white rice, and it enhances the micronutrient requirement. And if you're deficient of any of these micronutrients, then the millet is going to bridge those deficiencies. Okay, so this is what you have to use it as a recipe for your breakfast during your 4th day. Please don't rely upon idli, dosas. That is all not allowed. Strictly not allowed. Okay, and 1 cup of it and 1 katori of curd and chutney can be used along with your breakfast. Go slow, eat slow, chew and swallow the food. Don't be in a hurry to complete, because this is what we women usually tend to do, especially for the breakfast, because we have to rush up for our morning busy hours. So make time for yourself during this 2 weeks program, and you have to slightly depend on someone or your maid for cutting and chopping of vegetables for you, or for the family. Okay, then your 11 a.m. again I have given what you can take. Your lunch again can comprise of chapati or quinoa, or again it can be the millet. So whatever that I've given is only the complex carbs, followed by a vegetable. There have to be a protein, and protein in the form of both paneer and curd, or thick buttermilk, because this will make sure that the adequacy of your protein is met, and again that will fuel up your energy reserves, because you have been off carbohydrate for 3 days. So how will you refuel yourself is by gently adding, like, just one number of roti and just a half a cup of quinoa. So that will be the quantity for your breakfast and lunch, and the remaining will happen only from your protein sources. Okay, and your vegetable sources. How to make the preparation is again given here. Then your evening snack is given. It's going to be a repetition of any fruits, melons, pomegranates. So I had given the pomegranate because the pomegranate was in season, but now since it is like, off season, if you get it, you can buy it, or you can rely upon melons and other fruits like kiwi, because that is again good source of vitamin C. Okay, your dinner is going to be your, why I have given keto spinach soup is because you should add coconut milk to it to make it thick. So again, usage of coconut is a must for your dinner. So it has been proven to be efficient while it comes to the weight loss programs. So much of coconut that you're going to use is going to have an impact on your positivity of health. So that is all it is. Or
The
if you're going,
coconut milk the coconut milk has to be ready made, or it can be like, I mean,
see, it is very
homemade, or
simple.
it can
Homemade.
be.
Homemade. See, as I told you, as much as possible, go for homemade. Okay. Or if you are going for a store-bought ones, then just check for the expiry date or the manufacturing date. And once you open it, try to use it within a week's time. Okay, so even if they have given 30 days or 60 days, make sure that it is used within 2 weeks of the program and don't extend it beyond that. Okay, because anything for that matter and the kind of density and the viscosity of the coconut milk is going to vary from the homemade to the store-bought ones. That is
So
always there. Yeah, please.
homemade coconut milk, how many days we can store and use?
So you can store it for 3 days. So that is a maximum.
Okay.
Provided if you are going to keep it in the freezer, then you can use it before the preparation, and that is going to there you can retain for up to 5 days. If you are just storing it in the refrigerator, then it has a shelf life of only 3 days.
Okay. For every 3 days we have to make.
You have to
Fine.
keep changing. See, coconut milk consumption is going to happen only for the soups, ma'am. Otherwise, you can directly go ahead and just use a grated coconut for your sabzis and other bhajis. So you can
Okay.
find that in the diet plan. Okay. So don't
Okay.
worry about making the coconut milk, and only if required. See, it mainly helps to thicken your soups. Okay. So that is the best way. It will be filling for you, and also the kind of satisfaction and the feeling of fullness will happen through this. That's it. Okay. So this is for day 4 to day 7. And day 6, as I told you, is going to comprise of detox diet. And this detox diet is something where it'll be little stringent, because you're again tricking your body's metabolism and telling that, oh, I have consumed my carbs, and it's going to be only the smoothie which will happen for all the meals. So you are switching from the carbs to your smoothies for the first meal or the first 2 meals on the 6th day. And one meal I have given you the liberty to have your carbs so that you can find it from for your dinner. See, again, I have given you quinoa or the dalia on your 6th day, but your breakfast and your lunch is just going to comprise of your smoothies. Okay,
Okay.
so anything that you eat, anything that you make with roasted nuts, or the seed mix, like flax seeds that has to be used, you make sure that you stir it, and you store, you saute it and store it in a container that retains its shelf life for up to 3 or 4 days, or maximum up to 1 week it can go. But make sure that you use butter or a ghee or a olive oil. Please switch. These are called as a healthy fats. Don't use vegetable oils. Don't use your refined oils, because it is going to increase the inflammation in the body.
Excuse me.
Yeah, please tell me.
However, we are using olive oil. That much quantity, can we use ghee also?
Yes. No, see, how much is the quantity of olive oil that you will be using for sorting the nuts? It's going to be 1 teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of butter is what because it is in a saturated state. We are not going to use the exact 1 teaspoon of butter as is with the olive oil, right? So these are just a smaller variations that we might need to make, so that we use the best the best oil, and that is going to have a health impact on us. That's it.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
dalia means broken wheat
Broken
dalia,
wheat.
is it?
Yes, it's a broken wheat. It is broken
And
wheat.
what is the seed? What is the seed mix? Which seeds are we talking about?
So the seeds are nothing but the flax seeds. We have chia seeds. So these are the seeds which is roasted flax seeds are available, and the chia seeds are also available. So either that you can buy it and roast it, or you can go for the roasted ones also.
Chia
Okay.
seeds we can buy it and eat, is it? I didn't know
Yes,
that.
yes.
Okay.
Chia seeds and pumpkin seeds are available, so you can go for pumpkin seeds as a topping. So these are just a variations for your salads that while you are on this program, and it has good amount of fiber. So just in case while you are using the seeds and nuts, or consuming too much of it, you make sure that it doesn't make you feel constipated. You keep drinking adequate water in every 1 hour. Have a bottle beside you so that you don't forget, and try to refill it, and try to make sure that you add some jeera to it, and then have it like a cumin infused water, so that it helps you in better digestion and it doesn't make you feel constipated. Okay, because your metabolism is directly proportional to the weight loss. And the higher the metabolism, the more you're going to lose weight. And you will know that, how much of surprise that this detox diet is going to make you and help to lose weight even in future. So this is not something where you have to stick on for a longer term. As I told you earlier, this is just a short term plan. And this is something more like, you've been like, accumulated toxins in the body for so long period, and now this is going to regenerate and going to rebuild the healthy gut and repair that unhealthy gut and rebuild a healthy gut. Okay, so a minimal amount of carbohydrate is included to break this plateau, and so it is included for your breakfast and lunch. And on the sixth day alone, this carbohydrate is included for dinner, just to not make you starve of the carbohydrates, because we are carbohydrate consumers. So unlike European countries where they consume or rely upon only proteins and healthy fats, and that is the reason why cardiac ailments are less in the Mediterranean, places,
Yes.
especially in Greece and other countries. And that is the reason for me to organize the salad workshop comprising of Greek, because there is always a question, why not Indian salads? We all know that, the Indian salad has the flavors and the taste and mix of vegetables and colors. But what happens is that how will you use the olive oil? How will you use the lettuce? And how will you use other cheeses which contains B6 and B12, which is not available in other cheeses but is present in certain cheeses, like feta cheese? It's going to bridge your deficiencies and going to cut down the risk of lifestyle diseases, as I told you, like PCOS and hypothyroidism. That Yes, so that is where these ingredients come into picture. Okay, and apart from that, when you're going for kind of a detox juices for the first 3 days, this is a formula. So while you're using the tomato, a cucumber, and lettuce, or beetroot or whatever that I have given, make sure that it has a base like spinach, kale, or like certain herbs like thyme or oregano, etc. And there is one fruit for it, like apple, pineapple, or lemon. Oranges can be used as one fruit, one vegetable, one green, and other things can be like ginger or cayenne pepper as one of the metabolism boosters. So this can be used as a formula for whatever juice that you are having as part of your first 3 days breakfast detox juices. And other inclusions can be herbal teas. So if you feel that you're having too much of headache, and if you feel that you feel like nauseated, probably you can use your black tea and coffee, wherein it has to be without sugar, honey, or other stevia or other sweeteners. Okay,
Ma'am,
just
one question.
yeah, please,
Uh,
please.
does this diet support medicine, like by chance if we need for anything like dolo, or does it support?
Yes. Yes, it supports, but I think you can just let go of all the medications and see how the effect is within you when you make the slight of the mind switch. Where Vidya will be conducting this, the mind coaching session tomorrow, and she will give you the tips and tricks how you can overcome the kind of medications and the dosage and the consumption of it. So it is just that I can let go of all the medications, and let me, why not I try for myself. So just keep those affirmations in you, and it's going to help you greatly. And see if it can ward off those symptoms through a natural diet. And exercise is a must. Please make sure that yoga has been done today. Try to practice yoga, and if not yoga, make sure that you take walks, maximum for 45 minutes to 1 hour, and you can find a difference. If you have been rigorously into the exercises, I would suggest don't go for it, because your energy levels will be low on the first 3 days. And once you find that you are good, you can make sure that you can continue with your gymming or heavy workouts.
Priya
Ma'am,
ji,
one more question.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, see, the thing is, I'm used to a proper breakfast. Like we'll have a cup
Yeah,
of tea and then maybe three idlis, and like everyone, like idli or
yeah,
with chutney or sambar and all these things. Now tomorrow I'll be having suddenly the smoothie. If there
yeah.
is some hunger craving, is it okay to eat fruits or vegetables or anything in between?
So
Suppose
that is
like
what I said. You have to go for green tea or black tea because your body should start flushing out the toxins. So it's like again and again whenever you feel hungry, if you keep on eating or loading yourself, it will not help you greatly. So that is the reason there is a
okay.
time and frequency which is given to you to make sure that you stick to it, and as much as possible avoid those mid munchings and bingings because you will
Yeah,
find the difference
because what
greatly.
happens is usually in like Indian style, like we have a good heavy breakfast. So
Yes.
suddenly when we are switching to this, like that's why that is the reason I'm
No,
getting
no.
the doubts. Like
Usually,
that hunger.
usually Indians, yes, it is prone to happen. But yeah, you have to try to switch, and that is where, we are going to challenge ourselves, and that is the reason why we call it as a weight loss challenge because we are challenging ourselves for our body to make sure that we are healthy and our gut is going to be healthy. Yeah,
Priya ji,
yeah.
as I am a thyroid patient, can I start my diet with my daily routine morning
Please,
tablet?
please, please, whoever is on
Because
thyroid medication, go ahead to consume your thyroid medication. Don't stop now because this is
okay.
just a short-term program. Post this short-term
Hmm.
program, there will be other programs where you can go on for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and all. So in that, if we want, we can see how to taper off the medication, how to taper the dosage of medications that you are currently consuming, and slowly we are
Okay.
off the thyroid medications. But this is not the right time. Please don't cut down or completely get rid of any of the medications if you are on thyroid or etc etc, except for over
Okay.
the counter medications like Dolo 650s etc. That is not going to that is not something which I support for.
Okay. Nice.
Okay, yeah. So I think
So
let us get started of the program tomorrow. And if you have any kind of signs and symptoms, please don't hesitate to leave a message. Surely there is going to be a support from all of us. And unless and until that, I see that it's going to extremely hamper your health, or you feel that I badly need something, that is when we will be providing you a pinch of support, saying that you skip this and you go for that. But otherwise I will never come for the support of telling that do this as a substitute, keep this as an alternative, because I want all of you to lose weight, and that is the reason to enroll for this program. And you should also see the results and justify yourself as well as us.
one
Sure,
Sure,
ma'am.
question.
We'll
Yeah,
Priya
try
ji.
our
yeah,
best.
Hello.
yeah, please
Yeah.
tell me, Mukti.
Yeah. So we can. Which cheese we need to use? Processed cheese is fine, or any other cheese we have to use?
I'd suggest you can go for leaves, but if you don't get leaves, then you may go for Tetley tea packs.
No,
No, no, no.
cheese,
I'm
cheese.
cheese. I'm
Cheese,
talking
is
about
it? Yeah,
cheese.
cheese
Yeah.
and all we cannot make it homemade. So we can go for any kind of
Yeah.
cheeses. So
So
whatever
processed
is,
cheese we have to use, or mozzarella, or any other form of like feta
no
cheese also.
problem. No problem. You can use the
Any
cheese.
cheese is fine.
Any cheese is fine.
Okay.
So paneer is
Okay.
something which you can make it homemade for making
Used
burji
instead
and
of,
all.
yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes. So cheese,
Okay.
anyways, the quantity of consumption is not going to be as great as the paneer consumption or the tofu consumption. So for the
Okay.
cheeses, you can use generously because
Processed one.
yes, yes, it's just going to be once in a day or once in 2 days once, just for a taste and
So,
flavor.
so
Okay.
paneer also should we use only homemade paneer?
See, I'm just giving you an option. It's not necessary that you have to use homemade paneer, but even other
Okay.
paneer are available. Whenever we go, there is this chenna which is available, and even those Anand sweets have and organic mandia also gives the paneer. Or even if we go for the
Yeah,
regular
I do.
paneer, which is
Akshay.
Yeah, our Akshay Kalp is there, or even the other paneer which is available. You can just buy it like, in bulk quantities and keep it for this 2 weeks program rather than getting like, 200 grams. You can just go for like, half a kg or 1 kg of it and stock it up so that you are using this throughout the program.
Okay.
Okay, and it is going to reduce your effort of the frequent purchases, and that way, like you will feel full that your procurement is also done, and you can plan ahead for your next week of your journey.
Next meeting. Yeah.
Yeah,
Next meal,
Priya.
next day. Yes, Vibha.
So Priya, can we use soya chunks instead
Yes,
of paneer? Some
definitely. Yes, that's also a quality protein source for vegetarians, so you
Can
can
a
go ahead to. Yeah.
okay,
Priya ji,
okay.
can a thyroid patient use soya?
Yeah, see, you can use it something like, why not? So that is why we say that, most of the people who have thyroid, they go for vegan sources of dieting because vegan mostly comprise of soya, tofu, etc. And it is going to help them greatly to build the protein stores that has been depleted and thereby reducing this, the thyroid, etc. So you can switch to the protein sources in the form of soy or like tofu. So these are the things because other sources of soy is not available much in India like tempeh and tapache, etc. So the only sources of protein that is available is tofu or soya chunks.
Ma'am, if ripe avocados are not easily available, then can we substitute with something else for the smoothie?
Yeah, so as I told you, it can be any one vegetable, one fruit,
Okay.
right? So any one vegetable, one fruit that is seasonally available. Okay,
And then we have to measure the smoothie once we make it,
one
and then we
glass.
have to,
Yes,
yeah.
one glass,
Okay.
not more than that.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So I think we are just running out of time and it might get disconnected. So I hope to see you all tomorrow starting fresh with the journey and regenerate yourself. Please make sure that you sleep well and you also get that adequate exercises that you need. Try to switch your mind and divert your mind to other activities, etc. Those who are not working, it's going to be like challenging. Those who are working, I think that work is going to keep you occupied. But for non-working professionals, try to engage yourself with kids, their schooling, their homeworks, etc., so that you forget the food and the diet. And
Ma'am,
we are just focused.
if we have some personal doubts, should we personal WhatsApp you,
See,
or how should it
except
be done?
yes, it's usually the group thing, but other than like, it's affecting your health personally. If you feel so, you can leave the message. So something which, because why we say group is that what people might not know. See, not that everybody has participated today. So what some might feel hesitant to ask it, but you are open enough to ask it, and that answer is going to help others. So it is like you're helping and motivating each other, and people they might not know what substitutes to use, but you are asking about the substitute, and that is going to help others again. So it is all about how we are like motivating each other, and you should be sharing your daily picks of smoothies or whatever that you're eating at a daily meal. It is going to help us greatly in finding out whether you are following it, and others as well to replicate what you're currently doing. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks a
Okay,
lot.
yeah, thank you so much and all the best for the program tomorrow. I'm looking forward to seeing you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Priya.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
thank you,
Bye.
Priya.
Bye. Bye. See you. Bye.
Thanks. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Take care.